Namaste. Welcome to Monday Bytes from CHITRACars. Like the channel, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. And write your comments in the comment box. And thanks for encouraging me to do more videos. In India, people don't die because of dengue, chikungunya, cancer, etc. Maximum people die because of road accidents. It is more than anywhere in the world. In America and China, there are so many cars users, but in India, we have the maximum deaths in accidents. So today we're talking about ABS. Is a safety measure which is must in any car. So anti-lock braking system. ABS is called anti-lock braking system. It actually is a must in every car. It helps to drive your car safer and stable and full control on the car. When you brake the car, the braking system stops the car wheel, and if you are in speed, the car skids. But whereas anti-braking system helps to stop the car and release again, and lock the car and release again. So you will have control in the car at whatever speed you are. Even when you're turning and someone comes and you brake, the car doesn't skid because the anti-braking system helps you to move the car and as well as stop the car. It makes your car stable and safe. So anti-braking system cars are little costlier. People don't look at that. They would look at buying less price cars and they want more mileage cars. So anti-braking system helps you to drive your car safe. Happy driving, safe driving. Think of cars, think CHITRACars. Thank you.